Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you the one trade that I had today, and that trade brought me 40% return. With a simple calculation, we're seeing that there is a $400 of return. Yes, you might say that yesterday I had the same return, but I want you to remind, if you didn't watch the yesterday video, go find the link here. I want to remind that yesterday I had 4 trades, and with the 4 trades I made 40% of return. But today, you always have to improve yourself. Today I made one trade that brought me 40% return. So same return, but with the last trade. Hope you will enjoy it. All right, take a seat, enjoy the video. Let's start it. As we can see here on the graph, we have this triangle. Let me show you. We have this triangle, and this is the movement inside of the triangle that we have. And you know how the triangle breaks? I will put a screen somewhere around, right? And here, as we can see, we had one touch, second, third, fourth, fifth, and this is a time I think it's time to break it. You understand? And you know how we can see, how we can know the level where we can put our take profit or stop loss. This is going to be the size of the triangle. So like, it's something like what, $5, $4.5 of movement, right? Without the percentage. So let's start. Right, let's see how it was. Nothing much interesting at the beginning, right? The price just was moving around. So yeah, this is the size. This is a like size of the triangle itself. And yeah, I'm taking decision that I want to close with the grid of limit order. So I'm putting it like with the range of like 0.2%, something like that. And as we see, the price already broke it, right? So this is a good sign to open long position as well. And also, guys, I want to say you, I shared this trade on my Twitter account, and this is going to be the first link in the description. I shared it before breaking the triangle. So I posted, and then after like something like 3, 4, 5 minutes, the price started breaking the triangle, and you all had a really good opportunity to open the trade with me. So, if you are interested, you will find link in the description. It's going to be the first link, as I said. So, go and follow me on Twitter. Let's make the small community around ourselves, around these traders, around the crypto trading. And now let's come to the trade. As I said, I already put the grid of limit orders, and the price was like, moving around without like giving the, good reaction, the good breakout. But, you have to always be focused, be patient, wait your time. And as we see, the price made this, retest, right? This is a good time. And also, some people gonna ask me like where you can put the stop loss. This is a place where you can put a stop loss, right? This is a place, in case if the price is going to come to this level, that means most probably we're not going to have a breakout of the, upward breakout. We're going to have a downward breakout. Which is also a possible thing, right? Because this is a trading, is not always going to work as a patterns have to work. So this is a place where you can put your stop loss, and with the strategy of 3-to-1 ratio of your return, you can easily calculate it. So but here, what do we have? The price is just as I said, the struggling. We made this retest. So it's a perfect time to open long position. But as you saw, I made it a bit earlier. And this is what we see. The price is up for 0.2. And as I remember, I was trading with the leverage of 50. Yeah, you might say like, I'm not trading with the leverage of 50 these times. But, I found this trade, and I was like, let me say, not 100% sure for the trade. But I was clearly see where I can put my stop losses. So that's why I used a bit high leverage, because my stop loss was really close to the price. So as we see, like the price is up for 0.2%. Taking like small portion. Yeah, and I'm taking decision that I want to remove my take profit. Because why, you might ask me? Because you see the Bitcoin price is dropping, while at the same time AVAX price is increasing. So what does it say to us? it says like, you know, AVAX prices looks very strong. It looks stronger than price of the Bitcoin, and compared to the Bitcoin, it looks stronger. So imagine if the Bitcoin going to give some pullback back, right? I mean, some bouncing back. So imagine what's going to happen with the price of AVAX. Yeah, and this is why I'm you know, I remove my take profit, because I'm planning to, you know, try to take the maximum movement of the position of this trade. And as we see, as I said, you see the Bitcoin price is bouncing. The Bitcoin price give a small bouncing here, and this is how the AVAX price was reacting on it. So, you know, as I said, the AVAX looks a bit stronger than the Bitcoin here. And this is what do we have. The price is up for 0.5%. With the multiplying by 50, you're going to have like what, 20% of return, something like that, if my calculation is correct, but I'm not sure that is correct. Yeah, 25% of return. Yep, sorry. And I'm bringing like stop loss close to the price movement, so you know, I will take the maximum movement of the price, but I'm not bringing it too close, because you know, it can easily just touch it and continue its upward movement. Yeah, and the only thing left is just watch how your portfolio is increasing. All right, this is what do we all like to see, how the portfolio, how our portfolio is increasing, how wealthy are we becoming. Yeah, the price is up for 0.7%, right? Which is around like what, 0.7 multiplied by 50. What is 35%? And that's not bad, right? You can accept it. Yep. The price take me stop with the stop loss. All right, we're up for 40%. This is a trade that I want to share with you. And also, I had one really bad trade today. I'm not like, you know, I want to be honest with you, you know, I want to share my bad trades as well, you know. So this is going to be my first bad trade that having, like, you know, starting from making these videos. And this was on the coin of CHR and USDT. You know, it happened after this massive drop of the price of Bitcoin. You know, there was not now, there was a big dump of the price of Bitcoin. And I'm deciding that I want to take the knife, you know, let me explain you what the knife is. You know, when the price is dropping and you're trying to catch this bouncing back, you know, the price is always moving in let me show you, in this range. You know, even if the price is dropping, you know, we're gonna giving some bounces back. So, you know, to try to catch the knife, what does it mean? Let's say when the price is dropping down, and this is a place where you're opening your long position, you understand? So after a massive drop of the price, you're expecting to see some bouncing back, you know, because the price cannot continuously drop. You know, there was some bouncing back supposed to happen. So this is what we call knife, you know, catching the knife. Like, you know, something falling and you're trying to catch it. So this falling thing is a knife, right? I think I explained you in a understandable way, so you can understand what the knife is in the trading. And this is what I had. You know, this was such a bad thing that, you know, sometimes happening on the Binance when there is a really, like, you know, abnormal volatility in the market. The price is not just closing you by a take profit. So this is what I had. You know, opening long position here because, you know, as I said, I want to catch the knife. The price of CHR was dropping, like, you know, massively and badly. And on the Fibonacci, we can see the price came to resist to the support level, and so it's a good place to open long position here. And this is what we have on the chart, right? Just a second. You know, I don't want to skip this moment because I want to show you guys that this is what, yes, you saw, like, you know, the price just moved my take profit. You get, like, it come to my take profit, it didn't take it, it easily, like, you know, it completely removed everything on the chart. So, you know, I was shocked. Like, you know, sometimes it's happened. So, and you kind of close it by your hand as well, because the price is not, like, the position is not closing, because I'm pressing control here, because my control means, like, you know, closing by market. So I'm trying to put my new take profit here, but, you know, the situation is just messed. It's just bad situation. And Yeah, I was a bit busy. I supposed to leave the house, so I'm just putting my take profit against, you know, in case maybe it will close me. So my position is not that high here, so you know I easily left my house without checking it, because even, yeah, and this is what happened. Yes, this is what happened. The price just closed me with the stop loss, and the price is down for 1.3%. My position was around 20%. Yeah, but my lot size, I mean the position size was pretty small. So is a 26% of return of loss, right? Because I was using the leverage of 20. But as I said, like because of my position was not big, you know, my loss is not that big as well. So this was the only two trades that I want to share with you. You know, I just wanted to show you like this loss trade that I had today because of the mistake of the, it's not actually the mistake, it's because of the, you know, because of the high volatility in the market. This is always like, you know, what can happen, and this is what may happen with you if you will try to catch a knife. This is a very risky strategy to try to catch it. You know, it's a very risky. So you know, I'm using it really, like, you know, like maybe once in a month, maybe once in a 2 month, when I'm seeing there is a huge drop of the price. So this is the time when I can use the knife. Otherwise, like, you know, I'm not seeing that this is a good strategy to use it. And this was a, you know, real example for you that, you know, when there is a knife happening, there is a high volatility in the market, and there is a high chance that your trade will not be closed by orders. So, you know, just wanted to share with you. That's it, you know. And this was the only trades for today that I had. You know, I made the return with my first trade for 41%, and with the second one I had the loss for 26%. But because of my second trade was like twice less, yeah, twice less than my first trade with the position size, so my loss was not that big. So overall, I'm closing my day with the green candle, which is like slightly good. You know, I'm slightly happy because now we're seeing that there is a huge dump in the market. So you know, is really difficult and is really complicated to trade on that time. Hope you enjoyed it, right? As I said, I'm sure you enjoyed it, right? So, you know, if you watched till that time, press a like to this video. You know, don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I'm seeing the statistic. There is like 67% of people watching my video without subscribing me. You know, let's change the situation. Like, you know, just support me with it. I'm not asking you anything from you. Just, you know, press a like to the video and start supporting me, right? Subscribe the channel. I'll see you tomorrow. Wish you all the wealth.